Hello friends, welcome to Pricepedia. The stock which I was thinking of covering this week is 𝗗𝗦𝗦𝗏𝗏 Services Limited. This company is a mid-cap IT company, and the company has been performing quite well in the past since the IPO listing. And let's try to understand the fundamentals, and then we'll move on to the price section, and we'll see what exactly could happen on a technical basis. To start with, let's first check the market cap. So the market cap of the company is 15,081 crores. So it's a mid cap company. Now the P is 29 and the industry P is 38. That means the stock is not so expensive at all. ROC and ROE is quite high, 31.8 and 25.4. That speaks volumes about the fundamentals and the quality of the company. And if I look at the market cap 3 years back, it was just around 4,000 crores. And now the market cap is 15,000 crores. So company has gone 4x since 3 years. Okay. Now, if you look at the debt is just around 266 crores. So that's nothing compared to the market cap. So it can very easily pay off that debt. And if you look at the FII holding, there has been slight decrease, 0.77%, and in DII holding, there has been slight increase. But then we'll have to see the absolute numbers to understand what exactly the DIIs and the FIIs are doing. Now, to move forward, I'll first check the quarterly results of the company. If I can compare June quarter 2024 with June quarter 2023, a jump of 684 to 782. And in the previous quarters, I see that they have maintained their sales in the 700 range consistently. Now the operating margin 24% in June 2023, 21% in June 2024, right? And if I look at the net profit, it has gone up from 107 to 112 crores, and the EPS has gone up from 21.69 to 22.77. Now the bigger picture is this profit and loss statement. If you look at this, in 2013, company was clocking the sales of around 661 crores. Now the company is clocking around 3,000 crores on trailing 12-month basis. Now, trailing 12-month is higher than the 2024, which clearly indicates that the company is on the right path. Now the margins, 27%, they have maintained 27%, and the maximum which I saw in this was around 42%. That was in 2014. But then beyond that, I can see that they have maintained their margins in the late 20s. So that is absolutely fine. Now the net profit of the company, it used to be around 170 crores, 200 crores. Now look at the profit of the company. It's in 500 range, and the TTM profit is around 517 crores, which is higher than the 2024 profit. EPS is 105.40, which is, I think, the highest historically. If you compare it with the historical values, it's the highest right now. And now let's move on to this shareholding pattern. Look at this, FIIs and DIIs. FIIs have consistently managed, they kept their stake at about 10%. So it is 11.42%. It has never dropped below 10%. At the same time, DIIs were in late teens, and now the DIIs have raised their stake to around 22.86%. So the DIIs and FIIs have considerable stake in this company. Now the government also has added some positions here. It's a little 0.02%, right? So that is as far as the fundamentals are concerned. So clearly the fundamentals are giving us a very good picture here, and looks like this mid-cap IT stock can do wonders in the coming days. Now if we look at the chart of this, clearly there's a breakout happening, and we see a huge bar here. So that's a volume bar. To understand it better, let's move on to the charts. Let's move on to the charts, and let's try to find out what exactly is happening on the charts. So this is the chart for 𝗗𝗦𝗦𝗏𝗏 Services. Now what exactly happened was, historically, first let's try to understand. The first and the foremost step is to find out the historical returns. So the stock got listed at around 108 rupees, and currently it is trading around 3,000 rupees. So the stock has given the returns of almost around 1896.38%. So almost 18x returns the stock has given us, right? And if we analyze the chart, we see that this was the major resistance for the stock after it got listed, Let me just put it here. Price label. Let me just put it here. Okay, so this 1282 level was a major resistance for the stock. It was an undershoot here, and then finally it consolidated for some time and it gave a breakout. It consolidated above this breakout level for a long time. So all the candles here you see are the monthly candles. So it consolidated from May 2021 till April 2023. So almost 2 years consolidation happened, and after 2 years the stock has given a breakout. Now clearly the stock is in uptrend. This was the chance which it gave us. It broke out on huge volumes, and then we saw some sort of retracement back, and then the up move again. Now clearly this resistance is broken. To understand in depth what exactly is happening in this area, we'll have to move on to the daily charts. Now here's the daily chart view of the stock. What exactly is happening in the daily chart? In the daily chart, we see that the challenge came from this level, 2986.30. This was the resistance which was challenging the stock. There was an undershoot here. There was huge consolidation that happened, and this consolidation happened for quite a long time. If I try to find out how long this consolidation happened, I can draw this line here. I can explain this to you. This consolidation happened for almost 306 days, or 207 bars, right? 207 trading days, or around 1 year, I can say that. So this consolidation happened almost for 1 year, and now the stock has broken out, and it has broken out at high volumes. So this is a cup and handle pattern formation, and during this consolidation there was absolutely no volume in the stock. So it is when the volume is not there during the consolidation, it's generally a good sign. It indicates that probably the big hands are accumulating the stock at these levels. So this is that sort of consolidation which happened in the stock, and then the stock broke out. Now the stock has broken this neckline of 2986. Clearly it looks like there are happy days ahead for the stock. So guys, this is my analysis as far as this stock is concerned. I hope you enjoyed this analysis. Do let me know with your comments, and do share this video with your friends so that they can also have a pie of this analysis. Thank you very much. Have a great week ahead. Goodbye and good luck.